I'll be presenting a little bit more about my final project in CS 230. It was a class I took my freshman year based off of Python. Professor Freidenberg, who's holding the camera, that was my teacher. And the what you see on the screen here, that was a little bit of my final project. We took Airbnb data and we used Python to manipulate it. Um, so, for example, if I were to set the max price of a house to $100 a night, then the map auto factors and only gives me prices where the price is less than $100 a night. So you can see that with the mouse tip to the middle of your screen. But what I really like about this class is you can learn a lot outside of the classroom as well. So um, in a more math class, I was able to use some of the same coding languages and create correlation coefficients for some of the NBA's players. But outside of that, um, my freshman year summer, we were able to um, I was able to help research and work on a paper through the stats department at Bentley by using coding and creating code to pull stock price data and display it in ways that you wanted to and could actually do analysis on. So once we were able to present that, we were able to win some awards at some international math conferences, as well as actually publish our paper. So I think the coolest thing about this class is it's a great beginner introduction fundamental class, but it also teaches you how to explore and how to look at other stuff outside of the classroom and kind of learn on your own. So I think that's the coolest part about what's happening here at the Sandbox, as well as the curriculum. And yeah, that's a little bit about my project. If anyone has any questions on specific parts.
No, thanks for presenting though. I'm actually taking CS 230 right now. And I agree, it's definitely like a really cool class. We're going to be working on a final project soon as well, so I'm really excited for that. You did a great job on yours, so yeah, it was nice
Yeah,
seeing
thank
it.
you. Definitely a great class. Really enjoyed it, and definitely a lot of applications outside of it as well.
Yeah, like data analysis, just yeah, there's a lot. I mean, like I think Python can be used especially for like machine learning, which is really cool. Something I might look into in the future.
Yeah, you do use ML. Actually, someone came into the sandbox on their CS 230 projects, and I introduced a function called yield. And yield is something that it allows you to keep an iterable state on an item and add into it. So that was a cool thing that we were
Oh,
able to
that's
incorporate
pretty
into a
neat.
function.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you wanted like a list of lists, then you can have a for loop and you can do yield, and then the yield will put it into one list.
Oh, sweet. All right, thanks.
Yeah, of course. Any other questions? If not, I guess I can hand it back to Professor Feinberg. Thank you everyone for sitting through my presentation.
Thank you.